Ready to trade smarter, not harder, right from your phone. Let's break down how to master the expert option trading app in just a minute and a half. First things first, open the expert option app on your device. If you're new, tap sign up and create an account with your email or social media existing users. Simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll land on the home screen. Notice the asset section. Typically at the top, this is where you choose what you want to trade: Y euro currencies, stocks, commodities, even cryptocurrencies. Y euro. Tap on the menu to see all the options. Tap on the chosen asset, and the main trading chart appears. You can customize the chart type: Y euro line, candles, bars, Y euro. Using the chart type selector, explore the analysis tools, indicators, and trend lines for technical analysis by tapping the indicators icon. Now, for the critical part, placing a trade below the chart, you will find where you can input your investment. Experiment with different amounts to see potential risk returns. Select the order time. This is the duration of your trade, often ranging from seconds to a few minutes. Based on your analysis, predict whether the price will go up or down. If you believe the price will rise, tap the up or green button. If you think it will fall, tap the down or red button. Remember that after your order is placed, you can track your open positions and trading history in the portfolio section. And that's it. You've just executed your first trade. As you become familiar, experiment with advanced features such as pending orders and practice responsible risk management.